Welcome everyone to our rapid Q&A series. So here the question is, how is text analysis making a difference in the world?
I love this question. So text analysis is really making a difference everywhere there's stories that need to be understood, and it's just not possible to process them all by hand. This crosses a whole bunch of applications and industries and methodologies. What some of our favorites are EX, or voice of the employee, employee experience, employee surveys. We talk about that in another video. CX, voice of the customer, consumer, player, anywhere there's going to be product reviews or experience reviews, not just for consumer goods, but also in pharmaceutical applications, in B2B applications, utilities, a whole bunch of ways. Voice of the industry is always really fun, where market researchers will go out and do social media scrapes or intentional surveys, advanced in-depth interviews or advanced focus groups. A bunch of these approaches, wherever there's stories, we can pull it in on that side. And it's being applied in some unique ways as well. One of the examples that I think resonates well with our manufacturing clients is using something like troubleshooting notes, where someone will describe there's a rattling in the engine that sounded like this in this location, and they can pull up the ways it had been solved in the past without necessarily describing it in the same way as the person who found the issue the first time did. So those are a few of our favorite examples.
Yeah, and there are many, many more, of course, right? I mean, there's support tickets, help center transcriptions. People are using text analytics for document processing. Maybe you're trying to, ensure compliance across documents or something like that. And analysts are saying that unstructured text data is among the fastest growing and most underutilized assets available to businesses today. And a lot of it's because it's difficult to analyze and process so much data across different data sources and things like that. So this is where an AI-based text analysis solution can really enable organizations to scale what they're doing with the unstructured text, the kinds of applications that they can have to find the insights and really move their business in the right direction, and make their employees, make their customers happier with their products and their brand.
Yeah, you mentioned the AI-based solutions. That is especially helpful when the application is either rapidly evolving, it's impossible to keep up with the latest events in the industry or in the use case. For teams that are using a diverse portfolio of use cases, maybe you're doing cooking spray one day, pharmaceutical reviews the next, and cat food litter the following day. Text analysis helps you be an expert in a whole bunch of different domains because it reflects the data that it's being fed. And also applications where maybe the stories are really similar and you're trying to find the canary. You're trying to find someone who's giving you that early signal, cutting through the people who are just repeating or echoing what's already been said. Having an appropriate AI text analytics solution can be really helpful in those use cases as well. So if you have any ideas or questions, please reach out to us. We are happy to help, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.